will guide you through how to recover deleted Instagram posts. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, I'm going to delete an Instagram post. So I'll go and click on this one here. I'll go to the top right and click on the three dots and click on delete and confirm my decision. That post has now been deleted. So to go and recover it, you need to go to the top right of your Instagram profile page and click on the three lines like so. In your settings activity, you need to scroll down to the how you use Instagram section and click on your activity. In here, you then need to scroll down to the removed and archived content section and go and click on recently deleted. Make sure you select posts in the top left here, and then here the posts are. You've got 30 days to recover it. I'll click on it and then click on the three dots in the top right of the section, and we can click on restore. Confirm our decision. Now we can come back to our profile and there's the post. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.